Interfacing flex TC thermal head with soldered devices is easily performed using a universal adapter plate. Begin by placing a frame-shaped thermal pad material around the DUT and lightly attach it on top of the surrounding components. Then, place the adapter plate above the soldered device and attach it to the board through the board mounting holes. The universal adapter plates can only be attached to boards that comply with the Mechanical Devices Board Design Rules. Adhering to the Mechanical Devices Board Design Rules enables customers to use the same universal adapter plate in many different projects, thus eliminating the need for a new mechanical interface for every project, thereby providing considerable cost savings. Once the universal adapter plate is fastened to the board, evenly apply a thick layer of thermal paste on the entire surface of the DUT. Then place the frost-preventing Armaflex ring between the adapter plate bottom surface and the board to create a barrier between the environment and the purged testing area. Once the setup is ready, bring the thermal head and screw it on the adapter plate. Use a large plunger for contacting the entire area of both the device case and the surrounding thermal pad.